Once I went to hear them play at a club outside of town. I was so surprised, I was hypnotized by the sound his cats put down. When I saw this short fat guy stretch a band between his toes, hey, I laughed so hard cause the band got down when it finally reached his nose. Hey, y'all, prepare yourself for the rubber band. Whoa, you never heard a sound like the rubber band. Man, you're bound to lose control when the rubber band starts to jam. Got that rubber band up on his toe, and then he wriggled it up.
Oh, hi there!
Congratulations on your graduation! Miss Lee,
Yeah.
do you have anything to say to the seniors?
Oh, of course. We will miss you guys very much and make lots of good friends when you go to college, have lots of fun, and special shout out to Chris and Paul who helped me out with clubs. What about you, Miss Helen? Do you have anything to share?
Of course, I will definitely miss you guys seniors, and good luck on your college, and we'll keep praying for you. Bye! Congrats! You made it! Yay! Enjoy your college life. Just letting you know, life is tough. So get ready, okay? Love you. Bye.
Hello seniors, pray that you will be able to really find God as your own God as you're in college, that you'll also be able to find what you're really passionate about. Having fun is good, but I really want you guys to not waste the 4 years you have in college and not regret it. So I'll be praying for you guys and good luck.
Hi seniors! Congratulations, you guys are graduating, you made it. I'm gonna miss you a lot. GCFS won't be the same. So please come visit us. Bye!
I can't.
Congratulations seniors!
I wish you the best in college.
We're gonna miss you so much, so please visit us. Love you guys!
Bye-bye.
Congratulations on your graduation. It's been great getting to know some of you, especially Anna. Thank you so much for helping me out. I always told my kids that TAs are teachers' best friends. Makoto, it was nice talking to you about marriage and stuff. It was quite funny how you really wanted to get married so early. Good luck. Bye.
Congratulations, seniors! You're done! Yay! We're always praying for you. You're always welcome back, and we look forward to seeing how much you guys have grown, and also we look forward to hearing about your testimonies.
Congratulations!
We'll miss you.
Come back and visit.
I love you.
Hi seniors, this is Miss Hannah. I just want to say thank you for being such a wonderful older brothers and sisters to all the GCFS students, especially the elementary school students. They really look up to you. So thank you, and I really pray for amazing things that God will continue to do in your lives as you go off to college. Let us know what else is happening in your life. So, go seniors!
Congratulations!
wherever you go in the future, always remember us and remember that God is with you. Bye!
Hanako, Anna, Judy, Chris, Makoto, Ryan and Paul, I'm so proud of you guys. You guys all have a very special place in my heart. I'll always miss you guys, so please come back and visit GCFS with Starbucks and donuts. And look, I got this for you guys. Congratulations, I love you.
Congratulations, you guys. You're finally done with high school. Yay. You're off to great places, and I pray that God will be with you every step of the way.
Congratulations, seniors. I love you guys.
Hi seniors! Thank you so much for being my students. It was such an honor and privilege for me to have known you, for me to have taught you. I wish you the best of luck when you go out into college. Please remember your subject-verb agreements and don't use as much run-on sentences. But really, I really want you guys to enjoy life and to appreciate who you are and the situations that you've been in. Thank you for being my students, and best of luck! Good luck! Bye!
Congratulations, you are graduating. You must be very happy. It's okay if you don't remember anything about math after you leave here, but just don't forget about God. Math is not going to help your lives. You don't do anything about it, but God will help you with everything.
All right, so this is it. It's a big day. You're finally free. Get to go on your own, and we're all going to miss you here. It's going to be a big, big empty hole in the place where you guys have been filling for the past few years. And of course, I wish you all the best and know you're going to do great. Be true to yourself and follow God and search for Him in everything that you do.
Bye.
Hi seniors, although I couldn't really teach you guys this year, it was really happy to see your faces in the school, and I'm sure that you're going to excel in your areas. So we hope all the best for you.
Buena suerte, chicos, donde quiera que vayáis. Adiós.
Bye seniors! Bye bye!